English podcast show, Learn English Smartly.
Did you know that just 100 English phrases are used in nearly 70% of all daily conversations? Yeah, it's true. In fact, when I first visited London, I got through my entire first week using less than 50 English phrases. And guess what? I made friends, ordered food, asked directions, and even cracked a few jokes, all with just those few magical expressions. Welcome to Day 8 of the English Podcast Show, your one-stop shop for sounding natural, confident, and fluent. Whether you're a beginner or prepping for the IELTS like a champion. And hey, I'm Emma. Before we jump in, if your brain says, wow, even once today, hit that subscribe button like it's the last slice of cake at a party. And don't forget to grab today's free printable PDF from the description. It has all 100 phrases with examples, and yes, you can share it with your study buddy or your entire WhatsApp group.
Hey Emma! I still remember when I used the phrase, "I'm just looking thanks," while shopping in the UK, and the shopkeeper gave me a smile and space. That's the power of knowing the right phrase at the right time.
And today, we're sharing 100 power-packed phrases that you must know to navigate life in English. Trust me, the final 10 will blow your mind and completely upgrade your everyday English. Stick around because the best is truly saved for last. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Essential greetings and introductions, phrases 1 through 20.
Let's start with the basics. Whether you're at a party, a job interview, or just texting someone new, these are your go-to phrases. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I haven't seen you in ages. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Sorry, what's your name again? Where are you from? I'm from India. Where are you from? How was your day? How was your day? You look tired. What do you do? So, what do you do for a living? I'm learning English. Hi, I'm learning English. Can I practice with you? Could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. Can you speak slowly? I'm sorry, I don't understand. I work as a... Do you have any siblings? Tell me more about yourself. It's a pleasure to meet you. I've heard so much about you. How do you spell that? Let's keep in touch. See you around.
Segment 2. Everyday activities and expressions, phrases 21 to 50. Let's switch gears and talk about something that makes up most of our day, everyday activities. Whether you're grabbing coffee, going to the gym, or just getting through a Monday, there's English for that. This segment is packed with useful expressions you can use from morning till night, so the next time you're describing your day, you'll sound natural and confident.
Wake up. Example. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Get ready. Example. I need 30 minutes to get ready in the morning. Brush up on to refresh your knowledge. Example. I need to brush up on my Spanish before the trip. Head out. Example. I'll head out around 8 o'clock. Grab a bite. Example. Let's grab a bite before class. Run errands. Example. I spent the afternoon running errands. Do the laundry. Example. I have to do the laundry this weekend. Catch up on example. I want to catch up on some reading tonight. Chill out. Example. After work, I just want to chill out and watch Netflix. Hit the gym. Example. I try to hit the gym at least 3 times a week. Take a nap. Example. I'm so tired, I might take a nap. Make the bed. Example. I always make the bed after waking up. Cook dinner. Example. I usually cook dinner around 7 p.m. Call it a day to stop working for the day. Example. It's already 9 p.m. Let's call it a day. Wind down. Example. I read a book to wind down before sleeping. Stay in, not go out. Example. It's raining, so I'll just stay in tonight. Get stuck in traffic. Example. I got stuck in traffic on my way to work. Take out the trash. Example. Don't forget to take out the trash tonight. Catch a show. Example. Let's catch a show this weekend. Do the dishes. Example. Can you do the dishes tonight, please? Have a snack. Example, I had a quick snack between meetings. Turn in, go to bed. Example, I'm exhausted. I think I'll turn in early tonight. Go for a walk. Example, I love going for a walk after dinner. Scroll through social media. Example, I scrolled through Instagram for an hour. Pack up to get ready to leave or finish. Example, time to pack up and head home. Set the alarm. Example, don't forget to set the alarm before bed. Fill up the tank. Example, I need to fill up the tank before our road trip. Hit the sack, go to sleep. Example, I'm really tired. I'm going to hit the sack. Catch some Z's, sleep. Example, I need to catch some Z's before my early shift. Brew some coffee. Example, I can't start my day without brewing some coffee.
Segment 3. Problem solving and asking for help. Phrases 51 to 70. All right, let's move into a super practical part of today's episode. Phrases for problem solving and asking for help. Let's be honest, no matter how fluent you are, there will always be moments when things don't go as planned, and knowing how to ask for help clearly or solve issues politely is a total lifesaver. So in this segment, we'll explore the exact phrases you can use when you're stuck, confused, or just need a little support. Let's jump in.
So, let's figure this out. Example, we're stuck, but let's figure this out together. What seems to be the problem? Example, you look worried. What seems to be the problem? There must be a way. Example, don't give up. There must be a way to fix it. Let's take it step by step. Example, it's complex, but let's take it step by step. Have you tried? Example, have you tried restarting the computer? What if we... Example, what if we moved the meeting to tomorrow? Let's brainstorm some ideas. Example, we're out of options. Let's brainstorm some ideas. I think we need a fresh perspective. Example, we're going in circles. I think we need a fresh perspective. Can we revisit the plan? Example, things aren't working. Can we revisit the plan? Let's break the problem down. Example, it's overwhelming. Let's break the problem down. Asking for help. Phrases. Could you give me a hand? Example, I'm carrying groceries. Could you give me a hand? Would you mind helping me out? Example, would you mind helping me out with this math problem? Can I ask a favor? Example, can I ask a favor? I need help moving this weekend. I need a little help if that's okay. Example, I need a little help with this form if that's okay. Can you explain that again? Example, sorry, can you explain that again? I didn't catch it. I'm not sure how to do this. Example, I'm not sure how to do this. Can you show me? Could you walk me through this? Example, I've never done it before. Could you walk me through this? Do you know how to... Example, do you know how to set up this printer? I could use some support here. Example, this project's tough. I could use some support here. Would you be able to help? Example, I'm stuck. Would you be able to help?
Segment 4. At work or study. Phrases 71 to 85.
All right, listeners. Now let's step into your workplace or classroom, because knowing English here can be the difference between just surviving and truly thriving. Whether you're joining a Zoom meeting, studying for exams, or working on a group project, these phrases will help you communicate like a pro. Let's check out some smart, simple expressions that you can start using right away.
Let's get started. Example. All right, team, let's get started with today's meeting. What's the deadline? Example. This task looks big. What's the deadline for submission? I'll look into it. Example. I'm not sure why it's not working, but I'll look into it. I'll get back to you. Example. I need to check with the manager. I'll get back to you soon. Can I ask a question? Example, before we move on, can I ask a question about this topic? I have a doubt. Example, I have a doubt about this equation. Can you explain it again? Can you explain this? Example, can you explain this chart? I didn't understand the trend. Let's discuss this later. Example, we're running out of time. Let's discuss this later. That makes sense. Example, oh, now I get it. That makes sense. I see your point. Example, I see your point, but I still think we need more data. I agree. Example, I agree. This is the best solution we have right now. I'm not sure about that. Example, I'm not sure about that idea. It might be too risky. Let's brainstorm. Example, we need more creative ideas. Let's brainstorm together. Great job. Example, you finished the report early. Great job. Well done, team. Example, we met our monthly goal. Well done, team. Segment 5, Fun, Emotions, and Opinions, phrases 86 to 100. Ever watched a movie, heard some news, or got a surprise and didn't know how to express yourself in English? Don't worry. We've got you covered with today's segment, Expressing Emotions Naturally. These phrases are perfect for expressing emotions in daily life, conversations, social media, or storytelling.
That's amazing. Example, you got the job? That's amazing. I'm so happy for you. Example, you're getting married? I'm so happy for you. I'm excited. Example, I'm excited for our trip next weekend. I'm nervous. Example, I'm nervous about my presentation tomorrow. I'm bored. Example, this lecture is dragging on. I'm bored. That's hilarious. Example, he slipped on a banana peel? That's hilarious. You're kidding me. Example, you saw Beyonce at the airport? You're kidding me. No way. Example, you won the lottery? No way. I can't believe it. Example, he passed the exam without studying? I can't believe it. I love it. Example, this cake is so delicious. I love it. I hate it. Example, I hate it when my phone dies in the middle of a call. That's ridiculous. Example, they want us to finish the project in one day? That's ridiculous. It's not fair. Example, why did she get picked again? It's not fair. You nailed it. Example, your speech was perfect. You nailed it. This is the best day ever. Example, I got my visa approved and concert tickets. This is the best day ever.
And now it's time for our vocabulary expert, Maria, to break down some of the useful words and phrases we use today. Maria, Wordwise with Maria.
Thanks, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Maria, your vocabulary coach here on the English Podcast Show. Let's take a moment to understand some useful words and phrases from today's discussion. These are not only great for your IELTS speaking test, but also in real-life conversations. Chill out, relax, or calm down. Example, you're stressing too much about the test. Just chill out. You've prepared well. 2. Catch up, reconnect, or talk after a time gap. Example, it's been months since we last talked. Let's grab some coffee and catch up. 3. Call it a day. Stop working for the day. Example, we've been working on this report for hours. Let's call it a day and finish tomorrow. 4. Bite the bullet. Accept something difficult or unpleasant. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I guess I'll have to bite the bullet and go. 5. Burn the midnight oil. Work late into the night. Example, she had to burn the midnight oil to finish her thesis before the deadline. 6th, piece of cake. Very easy task. Example, don't worry about the grammar test. It'll be a piece of cake if you've practiced. 7, spill the beans. Reveal a secret accidentally or intentionally. Example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party, okay? 8, go the extra mile. Do more than expected. Example, he always goes the extra mile for his students. That's why they love him. 9, under the weather, feeling sick or unwell. Example, I won't be coming to class today. I'm feeling under the weather. 10. Break the ice. Start a conversation or ease tension. Example, at the meeting, I told a funny story to break the ice with the new team. All of these are listed in your free PDF guide. With definitions and examples you can revise anytime.
Whew, that was 100 phrases, real-life examples, expert vocabulary, and a whole world of confidence. Remember, you don't need to know 1,000 words to be fluent. You need the right ones. So download your Day 8 PDF and practice 10 phrases every day for the next 10 days. And don't just keep it to yourself. Share this episode with your friends, your IELTS group, or even your crush. You never know who needs that boost today. Your English journey just got supercharged. Let's meet tomorrow with more powerful tools. And before you go, subscribe to the English Podcast Show, because tomorrow's episode is a game changer. We'll talk about how to learn vocabulary that sticks. Until then, practice, share, shine. And remember, fluency is not a goal, it's a lifestyle.